This video explores the concept of span of control and how organizational design must account for the structural necessity of human relationships, even as technology extends our reach. We examine the, quote, meta reversal, where attempts to replace human supervision with AI led to operational triage and burnout, eventually forcing a retreat to more sustainable managerial spans. The physics of coordination collapse shows that potential communication links grow exponentially with team size. Research confirms that beyond 10 members, coordination quality and communication frequency decline. Mega teams often suffer an innovation penalty, while small teams foster breakthrough ideas. Large teams are often forced by structural weight to prioritize standardization and refinement over creativity. Overextending managers carries a dual cost: organizational hemorrhage through decision latency and talent loss, alongside a human toll of chronic burnout and employee neglect. A key playbook strategy is right-sizing span to the task. Complex, interdependent work requires smaller spans of 5 to 10, whereas routine work can be managed with larger spans of 15 to 20. Another strategy is designing pod structures. By distributing leadership into self-managing pods, organizations can resolve the tension between cost-cutting and human coordination limits. Rethinking the managerial role is essential. By separating individual contributor duties from people leadership, managers can devote significantly more time to coaching and system design. Structural defenses against burnout include implementing hard span caps, providing skip-level support, protecting time for development, and offering administrative relief to managers. AI should be used as a prosthetic, not a substitute. It can effectively handle transactional coordination, freeing human managers to focus on the essential work of empathy and strategic alignment. Organizations must recalibrate the psychological contract. Expanding spans without providing new scaffolding or resetting expectations is often perceived by employees as a fundamental breach of trust. To counter networked tension in large teams, use inclusive rituals, a rotating spotlight for peer-led sharing, and shared mission narratives to maintain commitment and visibility. Management span is not a set-and-forget metric. It requires a continuous span audit, including interdependence mapping, real-time feedback, retrospectives, and scenario planning. Sustainable scale depends on a human-centric model. If any underlying layer of support fails, the central human core of management can quickly collapse under the structural weight. In summary, technology can extend our reach, but it cannot replace the structural necessity of human relationship. Design your organization with this fundamental truth in mind.